Hello everyone, I'm Nancy from HMN Tech. HMN Tech is one of the world's leading end-to-end submarine cable system suppliers. Welcome to HMN Tech's cutting-edge technological advances and insight sharing. Today, I'm very pleased to be here and talk about how to involve the space deviation multiplex system from the power feeding aspect.
The topic is 18 kV power feeding trends for the next generation SDM system. During the presentation, I will give you the latest step of the 16 pair SDM program, and then describe the benefits SDM system brings us, and also the challenges the industry faces. Then I would use a reasonable time to share how 18 kV power feeding solution could give the industry evolution in the aspect of system capacity and scale. The solution and technologies were firstly proposed by HMN Tech 1 month ago, and it is gradually accepted and to be utilized in the near future. Finally, I will show some future trends about SDM system technologies like the 32 fiber pair systems. So let's begin from 16 fiber pair repeater system in the reality. 2 years ago, 16 fiber pair repeater system is only a conception we discussed. And now Hainan to Hong Kong Express project, the industry first 16 fiber pair repeater system, will begin its services. In January, HMN Tech has launched the news that the 16 fiber pair white plants of H2HE project completed the factory acceptance test. Now we are glad to share the latest news that the industry first 16 fiber pair repeater system has begun its marine installation and will be ready for service in next month. That means the 16 fiber pair technologies has no longer been a concept, and it's not applied in branches only. Now we are in a 16 fiber pair trend type. What's more, the system capacity should be mentioned. It will provide over 300 terabytes in one single system. It is one of the worldwide largest capacity repeater systems, and offers many times capacity of other current subsea systems. The advanced system brings our customers and the local community abundant capacity resources firstly, and play a role of infrastructure to give a strong support to develop digital economy like data center and cloud computing. Furthermore, Hainan province, the demand of the internet usages globally keeps a continued increase for the coming years. 16 fiber pair system is absolutely not an end, but only a start for the future technology advances. The channel equation is clear to point out many related terms for the transmission industry, including the bandwidth and the GSNR. Meanwhile, the new derived equation in the screen based on the channel ones shows more possibility to increase the transmission ability by more methods. Traditionally, it is preferred to expand the bandwidth and provide more channels for one fiber pair. It makes the contribution by increasing from 36 nanometer C band to 39.5 nanometer C plus band, which is an obviously increase. And also, if we use C plus L band, the bandwidth could go up to 76 nanometer bandwidth. Secondly, improving the GSNR is considered as well. To use a large effective area fiber and high power repeater can get a better performance of the link. The new equation not only considers the capacity in one fiber, but in one cable system. Therefore, adopting high fiber count technology or multi-core full mode fiber is considered increasing the capacity. Currently, utilizing high fiber count can achieve a huge capacity in one system. Thanks to the SDM technology development, it is an effective way to increase the capacity.
SDM system with 16 fiber pairs has actually taken a huge step for the industry. But does it end for capacity increase? Let's firstly check the capacity demand in the future years. Global bandwidth demand has a dramatically compounded annual growth rate, about 39%. And the Middle East region also show a huge power to increase its international capacity usage, about 32%. So what over 30% CAGR means? 2 or 3 years later, the demand is double. Therefore, the demand is actively pushing technological advances to meet the requirement of the global customers. more fiber pairs larger than 16 fiber pair system is the next step we could use immediately. Telegeography shows the importance of the over 16 fiber pairs by comparing the situation of applied SDM system before and after. Taking transatlantic as an example, if all new built systems are 16 fiber pairs, there will be about 130 new cable paths required in 2035. The number of the cable constructed is abnormally over the total industry manufacturing capability. The advent of advanced SDM system like 24 or 32 fiber pairs or more will ease the hard situation and will reduce to about 45 cables in 2035. Therefore, to meet the coming capacity usage requirement, we must push the current SDM system to the next generation. Let's begin from SDM system design philosophy. In a single fiber pair, there is a threshold of growing relationship between output and capacity per fiber pair. Then when the repeater's power is doubled, the system capacity is only increased by 20%. That is not a power-effective way to increase. Therefore, SDM system use same output power for two fiber pairs and brings double capacity for the system. So a well-organized SDM solution could bring larger cable capacity, save power, and reduce system cost. SDM system bring more fiber pairs and more capacity. But on the other hand, it as well is confronted with some threshold when going further. Let's focus on the limit, system's power feeding. Usually, we will require a single-end power feeding capability to get a better system tolerance during cable fault. For example, for the Trans-Pacific system, the current 15 kV is only possible to support 10 fiber pairs as trunk when with the capacity about 184 terabit. But it cannot support more and set a common limit for industry. Increasing systems voltage can improve the system's functionality. And also we need a reliable and qualified SDM white plant product suite. For the system voltage, it is not the higher the better. It is a complicated trade-off process to balance all the parameters in one project. To push the limit needs many efforts made from all aspects. It has at least 4 aspects. Reduce white plant's voltage drop, improve the power feeding ability, enhance the branch unit's hot switching ability, and strengthen the system's single and power feeding capability. For repeaters and branch unit, they need to reduce the voltage drop by deploying pump sharing structure, optimizing the optical and the electrical circuit design, and improving the element resistance. For the cables, also need a power voltage reduction by optimizing the cable independence. In station in the LAN, we also need to enhance the power feeding equipment ability and the reliability of all dry plants and the station infrastructure in the station. Therefore, improving the power feeding ability cannot be without limitation, and the precise is a complicated trade-off. A successful improvement of power feeding could both meet customers' capacity demands and provide a reliable system from the aspect of elements, products, and systems. 18 kV is the reasonable and perfect balance between all aspects to meet the current customer's requirement. Under the situation of a 10,000 km system, the traditional 15 kV power feeding only supports a 10 fiber pair system transmitting 184 terabit. With the 20% increase of power feeding, the system can support 16 fiber pair system with the capacity of about 300 terabit, which is an over 60% increase for the system capacity. While in a transatlantic system, 16 fiber pair system utilizes 10 kV and provides about 350 terabit capacity. When the system power feeding voltage improves to 18 kV, the number of fiber pair and the system capacity both have a double growth. We could witness that pushing the legacy power feeding limits could bring many growth from many aspects. Increasing 20% power feeding brings over 50% capacity improvement by supporting more fiber pairs in transoceanic systems. Innovative 18 kV power feeding SDM system provides many benefits for both system abilities and the customer's commercial revenues. Firstly, the most importantly, the 18 kV system's power feeding allows small fiber pair system working in a long distance, like over 6,000 kilometers or 10,000 kilometers. Small fiber pairs bring a huge amount of capacity, showing over 60% capacity improvement. Deploy one system with more fiber pairs and larger capacity help our customer reduce cost per fiber and cost per bit. Investment once but gain more capacity resources and maximize revenues. Improving systems power feeding ability is to enhance single-end power feeding capability of SDM system, allowing 10,000 kilometers and longer systems reliability. It provides systems higher reliability under cable fault and minimize impacts on services after accidents. The 18 kV power feeding improvement pushes the limitation of industry's legacy and provides innovative and trusted alternative for transoceanic system. It gives customer freedom of system design from voltage limited to deploy better performance system in a project. HMN Tech has recently launched first 18 kV power feeding solution worldwide and firstly qualified white plant suit for the industry as a robust and qualified alternative. HMN Tech has qualified 16 fiber pair repeaters, and its 32 fiber pair repeater is under research and development. For white plants, HMN Tech firstly set its working voltage as a maximum of 20 kV, preparing for the next generation over 18 kV system in advance. It also reduced 34.6% power consumption to enhance its power efficiency. It allows different pump sharing architecture to perfectly meet the system design. Besides repeaters, HMN Tech has upgraded its branch unit products, not only developing 32 fiber pair products and improving its voltage standard to 20 kV, it also allowed 18 kV hot power switch to protect the system's service under cable fault. Cable, one of the core elements, is under a development of 32 fiber pairs and 48 fiber pairs cables. Besides setting a 20 kV power resistance, the lowest cable independence has reached about 0.59 ohm per kilometers to reduce the voltage drop of the cable. With the development of technology in the coming years, the ability of both wet plants and dry plants are surging. In last years, we have witnessed a notable growth of systems capacity. There was a tenfold increase from only 10 terabit to about 100 terabit in 2016. This year, HMN Tech could provide a 300 to 400 terabit capacity in one system. To meet our customers' requirement in the future, it is possible to deploy a 1 petabit system in 2022 with complete upgrades of all white plants and dry plants. SDM is and will be a matured solution for larger capacity system. The most important step of going into new 1 petabit era is to gain a new generation repeater. HMN Tech will launch 32 fiber pair repeater soon in this year, and the 18 kV solution is a key step to realize a 32 fiber pair transoceanic system. The power feeding increase is an innovative behavior to push the limit, and as well a necessary step to go into an over 32 fiber pair area. Besides high fiber counts, HMN Tech is also widely researching more technologies which could be applied in commercial systems in the future, like multi-core fiber and full-mode fiber system. And the key components used for such systems, such as the fan-in, fan-out, we are also focused on it.
HMN Tech is committed to advancing technological innovation to proactively developing leading-edge products and network solutions, and to providing commercial value and to our customers. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my sharing. If you have any needs, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. Bye-bye.